Welcome to Qiggz. In this video, we'll learn how to close a team gig and give reviews to your vendors step by step. Let's dive right in. When your project is complete, go to your poster dashboard and open your team gig. Then swipe to complete gig to close the gig. Now, click on the chat icon to open the messaging section. Here, click on Team Builder, then select Closed. Next, choose your gig and click View All Profiles. Once the gig is closed, you'll notice that all tabs, including Pending, Ignored, and Total, are disabled, and only the Team tab remains active. Here, you can view all the vendors who were part of your team. Click the Review button next to a vendor's name to give your feedback. Add your rating and write a review describing your experience working with them. Then click Submit. To view your review, go to the vendor's profile, where you'll see your latest review displayed under their public rating section. You can repeat this process for all vendors in your team. And that's it. You've successfully completed your project and shared feedback with your team on Qiggz.